welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. It is December 21st, a Tuesday. Y'all, Christmas is literally like right around the corner. Literally. Hold on, my auntie texted me. Yes, please. Extract. Today is Bachelorette night. It is actually the finale and I completely forgot that it was tonight. I made tonight like our Christmas cookie baking charcuterie board night, and so Ray's gonna come over, so it's gonna be me, Ray, my mom, my auntie, Makaya, and I completely forgot that it's also Bachelorette night too, so we're gonna be baking cookies while we figure out who Michelle picks. So that'll be fun. I have a lot to do. I have to actually like clean up the kitchen and make sure everything is good because on my island here is where we're gonna be making the cookies, and then on our dinner table over here is where like the charcuterie boards are gonna be. So it's gonna be a caprese salad one, like a regular cheese, crackers, and fruit charcuterie board, and then the next one is going to be a hot cocoa bar. So it's gonna have all different treats and marshmallows and cocoa and peppermints, etc., etc. I'm really excited for tonight. It should be good. I hope everything goes well. Like, you know how you envision something in your mind? I hope the picture that I have in my mind comes to fruition. I'm gonna show you guys everything and show you how I make it and show you guys how our cookies come out. I hope that our cookies come out good too, because making cookies from scratch ain't no joke, especially the ones we have to give to Santa, my boy. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. I just wanna hop on and say hi. I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. Okay, so I'm rolling up the ingredients and directions for the sugar cookies. I just typed these up and printed them out, so I'm gonna wrap it with some ribbon. And then I have the royal icing. I have to keep mixing it because it's already hardening. So we have green and we have white right here. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. Alright, so that's the hot cocoa station, and then my mom got some popcorn. I have all the cups and everything like that. And over here we have this reindeer, and my aunt was like, oh my gosh, you should hang the hot chocolate on the reindeer, so I'm about to do that right now. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. So you can't really see in the light, but I had some cranberries in the fridge and I just drizzled some lemon juice on top and then added some sugar and tossed them around, and it gives them that frosted cranberry look. So I'm gonna add that to the board. Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Let me see, Mom. Let me see. Oh, it still looks nice. No, it's fine. Okay, this is my gingerbread man, and I'm about to try.
I'm sorry, but are Michelle and Nate not the most beautiful couple you've ever seen in your whole life? Crazy. So what are those two up to these days? We'll find out very soon. stage for their first.
And to be honest, I think I would prefer the cookie plain. I don't think it needs the icing. That's good. Alrighty, y'all. So it is really late and Christmas cookie baking night slash charcuterie board slash bachelorette finale was an absolute success. We found out who Michelle picked, which we already knew who she was going to pick, and we made some really good Christmas cookies, and they actually turned out really well. And the charcuterie board was delicious. All of the things that we had. The only thing we didn't get to do was have the hot chocolate and like use all the hot chocolate bits that I had in the hot chocolate charcuterie board. So maybe we'll do that another time, like when Ben comes. So it's super late. I already have to edit this video, so I'm gonna end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Your girl, please comment, share, subscribe. Stick around for a while because I'd love to have you, and there's lots more fun Christmas vibe videos to come. I will see you in my next video. Love you guys.